the reverse input drum is sitting on the bench right there, and I'm going to show you how professional transmission builders install the clutches in the reverse input drum. This is not for your first time. It might take you a little bit to be able to work up to doing it like this, but hopefully once you gain some experience you'll be able to install them like this too. Okay, so here we go. We're going to take the wave plate first, the Belleville plate, and we're going to over the shoulder. Ready? Here we go. Alright, our first steel. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to throw this facing it. Ready? Here we go. Kobe! First friction. We're going to do this one like a professional frisbee thrower. Ready? Now, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, he can only do that with his right hand. I can't. I can do it with my left hand too. So here we go. Flat rate tranny builders like to do things quickly because we get paid the more we do. So we're going to have to speed this up a little bit. We're going to do 2 frictions and a steel. Ready? And left hand. For the guys like soccer, I got the backing plate. I'm going to kick it in. Ready? Gotta line it up. Now this is the hardest part. You gotta get the snap ring on, and to get the snap ring on, you have to throw it with the tool that installs it. So hopefully they come down in the right order. If they do, the snap ring will be installed. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna throw it like a dart. Ready? Okay, let's go look and see how I did. I still got it. Perfect. Remember, practice makes perfect.